Hi everyone, I am Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Part 2 of future continuous tense we will be discussing here the usages where you are going to use this tense. In first lecture we discussed that how you are going to practice this tense, and here we will be discussing about the usages of this tense. So let's begin. The first usage, we use this tense for those actions which will be in progress in future, means which will be continued in future. Like I will be teaching you the remaining tenses. Now remaining tenses, 6 tenses we have got that will be in progress in future. So means they will start in future, they will be continued in future. They will be coming to Quetta tomorrow, means they have not started their journey when they started, so that will be continued for a period of time. That will be in progress in future. Usage number 2, we use this tense for those actions which are already planned. You have planned them, that you are going to do them, means you have timetabled them and you have pre-planned them and going to do them in future. Like I say, tomorrow we will be starting the present perfect tense. Now this is what 6 tenses we have completed. 7th one we are going to start tomorrow. So when we talk that we will be starting this tense in future, the 7th one, that is known as action which is already planned and going to happen in future. Next year I will be attending the CSS papers. This is what next year in coming February I will be attending the CSS papers. This is what which is already planned that I'm going to do it on the February. After that we use this tense to predict in present, to say what we think or guess is probably happening now. Our imagination and thinking, when we sit with someone we have just predictions, we are not. Where the word prediction comes, keep in your mind this word predict comes, means you are not 100% sure, you are just shooting in dark. That is what you are not confirm about, you are just having your own experience. Like those actions which we predict in present, in the same time when we are speaking we predict it at the same time, to say that what we think, our thinking or our imagination is going to as is probably happening now, at the same time they are going now. For example, now my friends, when they departed from us, they told that we will study. Now this is what my thinking, I think they will be studying now. This is what in my point of view. Maybe here they have just told that we are studying, maybe now they are doing something else, maybe they are playing or sleeping, but my prediction says that when the time of study comes they study. So this is what I think. Now I can't see them that what they are doing, but this is my prediction in present, that this action is going on now, maybe or may not be, I'm not sure. Now in the same way, second example, I guess, I expect, I think she will be weeping now. Why? As she departed from here, she was so saddened and she left the class and went, this is what maybe my experience, that she will be weeping now. Maybe here she just pretend, and over there now maybe she is happy or enjoying. That is what I'm not sure about. So we will be saying that I guess she will be weeping now. Okay, usage number 4 and the last. This tense has got 4 usages. Usage number 4, we use this tense to make polite inquiries. Polite inquiries mean when you ask someone in a polite way a question. In a polite way a question. Like inquiries, when you are going to ask the people inquiries, people's plan, that what they are going to do. So in a respective way you will be using future continuous tense to ask any question. Like you will say, will they be coming tomorrow? So this is what, if I ask this question, will they come tomorrow? So this is what it is, an awkward way, or you are asking someone in an informal way. The polite or respective way to ask someone's future plan. So you will say, will they be coming tomorrow? This is what a respective way. And will you be attending the function? And this is what you will have a polite way to ask someone. Sorry to, so if you say, will you come tomorrow, as like you are showing some your attitude or something like. But when we ask the elder people or maybe the famous people, mostly we ask, this is what we say, that will they be coming tomorrow, will you be attending the function? These questions are mostly asked by the news anchors, or someone like by the politicians, or maybe by the scholars whatsoever. Hope you got the usages of future continuous tense. Wish you best of luck. Keep studying. Never give up. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.